Hey, what's up guys? It's Pat here. I'm parked outside of a Whole Foods in San Diego, California. I got the Tesla here. Caleb is inside right now setting something up that I'm gonna share with you in just a moment. But the reason why I'm dressed up and the reason why we're doing this right now is because there are two special events happening in San Diego this week, Social Media Marketing World and Traffic and Conversion Summit. And because of that, people are flying into town who don't normally come here, and we wanted to take this opportunity to meet with those people, interview them and collaborate, and we're gonna use the Tesla as a prop. So let me take you inside the car now to show you what Caleb is up to. So let's run through the game plan.
So we're using the car suction mount, and then these guys clip in here.
Now, is there like a viewfinder on that thing?
So this one has a screen on the back.
Oh, okay.
So when you turn it on, you can see, but it'll also Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to your phone.
Oh, and that's how we'll find the angles and stuff?
Yeah, that's all fine-tune it.
Sweet. So let me talk about these collabs really quick. You know, one of the biggest ways and fastest ways to grow on YouTube, so I hear, is through collaborations. Now, what a collaboration really is when a person shows up on your YouTube video and you happen to show up on theirs at the same time. And that way you can kind of cross-promote each other's channels. And I've done this a few times before, but not in a very, I don't want to say professional, but just, it wasn't planned. This week with Social Media Marketing World happening, we're definitely planning ahead of time. We have some really great personalities and influencers coming on that are gonna teach you a lot of things, but we're also gonna dive into their origin story too. You know, honestly, I wanted to do this in a DeLorean, but next time. We'll do it in a DeLorean next time. So it'll be kind of fun to see how that grows the YouTube channel, but you know, at this current moment, we have about 95,000 subscribers. I definitely think that with the help of these collaborations that are happening, we'll hopefully get over 100,000 very soon.
Cool. All right, let's turn them on and look at how it looks on the phone.
Let's do it.
Sweet.
Whoa, that's sick.
So what do you think of that angle?
I think that looks good. Carpool karaoke status.
So we go back to the other one, swipe, turn to this guy. There we go.
Okay. Sweet, so we got it set up there. And now, maybe we should switch seats because I'll be driving. Nice, we're all set up. All right, so the plan right now is we're going to drive around a little bit. We just had a quick conversation about, we should have recorded that, but we had a quick conversation about how this is gonna be coordinated. So essentially what's gonna happen is we're gonna hook up with the person we're gonna collaborate with beforehand. We're gonna mic them up, but then we'll have a second shooter who's gonna be a person who will film that person getting into the Tesla when I pick them up. It'll also involve a phone conversation. This is very much modeled after comedians in cars getting coffee and carpool karaoke, but you know, with just our own style. We'll figure it out. It's kind of fun. And then from there, we're gonna be going to a second location. So the first location is car. Second location will be someplace scenic where we can then film sort of second half of the collaboration videos. So right now what we're gonna do is drive around and just kind of record so we can see what the footage is like and see if we like it. Let's go around the block.
Yeah.
Oh, just floor it?
Sure. Oh, jeez.
Oh.
We'll see how the GoPros did with that.
Oh. All right, so that was our test drive. Hopefully it looks and sounds decent with what we have now, but tomorrow we're gonna have some audio equipment in here too, and it should hopefully be great. So we have a number of people lined up ready for tomorrow and the next day to film in the Tesla and also at our scenic places. You'll see that on the videos in a couple weeks. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you can catch those collaborations and meet some really cool people. Also because we have a lot of great content coming the rest of the year too. So Caleb, any final words for the viewers out there related to anything?
If you haven't ridden in a Tesla, they're pretty cool. Like, it's like the future.
It is the future. The future is now. Elon Musk, I would love to have you on the podcast. That'd be great. All right, cool. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. Oh, by the way, if you have a moment, leave a comment below with a person who you think I should collaborate with. It might be done in this way, it might be done in another way, but if you have another YouTuber in mind that I should be connecting with, put their name down below and I'd love to know who you think that should be. So maybe we'll make it happen. Thanks guys, take care, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, maybe we should practice having a conversation. Like, I don't know, how was your week?
Why do you want to practice having a conversation?
Just so I can get the interaction.
Get used to it?
Yeah.
So tell me about your childhood, Pat. Like,
so
how many
I was
brothers and sisters.
No, I'm supposed to be the one doing the interview.
Okay.
So tell me about your childhood, Caleb.